We are making a movie. Today is August 1st, and it's been raining and raining. What are you guys doing?
We're drinking our own tea.
And how did you make the tea?
Out of water.
And where'd the water come from?
The sinks.
Oh good, it didn't come from out here?
More.
Has Has it been raining, guys?
Yeah.
A little or a lot?
A lot. A lot.
Did you guys get wet?
Yep. Yep.
A little or a lot?
Hey, Daphne. This for Daphne. Hey.
It looks like you guys might be camping.
We're not camping, but we're really cheesing. We are camping.
Is that some soup?
Yeah. I just tried some soup out for each of Daphne. Okay. That's my friend Daphne right there.